Hello friends, welcome to channel DK Technical Mate. So today I am going to show you how to download Jump ROM for J2 Prime. So first we open the browser and search DK Technical Mate. You can search it on any browser like Chrome and Opera and Firefox. Okay. So first search DK Technical Mate. Okay. Then open the first link. You can see that DK Technical Mate home. We can mark it this link. You need to open this link for download Jump ROM for J2 Prime. Okay, so we can open this. After open this, you can search it Jump ROM for J2 Prime. Here is the search icon box. See this is search icon. You need to click this for search Jump ROM for J2 Prime. Okay, so we can search Jump ROM for J2 Prime. Also you can search anything you want to download from dktechnicalmate.com like Phoenix kernel and another ROMs like Jump ROM for J2 Prime. So we can see that here the Jump ROM for J2 Prime. This look. So we can open this. So we can click this box. So after clicking this box, we can open the Jump ROM for J2 Prime post. Okay. So you can read anything about Jump ROM. So you can read this. And as you know that Jump ROM is made by Van Hong. Okay. That is from the Vietnam country. So you can also read this Vibrance UX for J2 Prime. This is the latest version of Vibrance UX version 1.5. So we need to wait for 50 seconds to open the download link. So we can wait only 20 seconds, 17 seconds, and you can also read this about the Jump ROM for J2 Prime like what's new in J2 Prime and another stuff. And you can also find great stuff after installing the Jump ROM in your J2 Prime device. So here we can see the download button. So we need to click on that. Okay, so we need to click on that. So we can click this. After click the download button, this layout is open. Okay, so we need to scroll down and click on Take Me button. And after clicking the Take Me button, you can look this UI. So we need to follow these two steps to unlock the Jump ROM download link. Okay, so we need to follow first step first. Okay, so here is the written subscribe. So we need to subscribe DK Technical Mate YouTube channel. So okay, so open this. And I am already subscribed it channel, so you need to subscribe it. And if you are already subscribed, then press the back button. After press the back button, you need to follow one more step. So click on one ads. So open it. After click on one ads, you need to click on one ads that is present in dktechnicalmate.com website. So we need to click any ads. Okay, any one ads. So wait some time, ads are loading. We can refresh this. Here you can see the ads are loading. Okay, so we need to click on only on single ads. So I am click on these ads. Okay, you can click on any ads that you look in your phone. So we need to click on one ads, these ads. After clicking on these ads, our download link are open. So we are successfully click on that has, so press back button, then back button. You can see the link are open. Okay, both the steps are completed, and tick the sign button that is present on green signal. Okay, so we need to click on unlock. After click the unlock, you need to click on get link, and after click the get link, you can successfully unlock jump room link for J2 Prime. So you can easily download it from here. So we can download it. Here you can look, this is the file of 1.1 GB, so you can download it by clicking here. Okay, so thanks for watching for video. If you are already subscribed this channel, then watch more videos, and if you are not subscribed, then subscribe it and press the like button of this video.